Boris Johnson said, "The current planning system wastes time and taxpayers' money. We're going to cut the red tape, overhaul the planning process, and build better, greener homes faster." But the government's plans has raised many questions. Currently, developers can build developments of up to 10 homes without providing any affordable houses. What's important to recognise is that some communities will experience a more critical affordability problem than others. Going forward, the government clearly feels it's best to scrap Section 106 and the Community Infrastructure Levy. But to put that into perspective, last year, 49% of affordable homes would not have been delivered. In its place, a nationally set value-based charge for developers has been proposed. But time will tell how successful this plan will prove to be. While many recognise the flaws in the English planning system and want more high-quality, greener homes, there is also a feeling that this goal should not be to the detriment of affordable housing.